Bump. 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 Noun. Definition: a light blow or a jolting collision. Example: a nasty bump on the head. Noun. Definition: a protuberance on a level surface. Example: bumps in the road. Noun. Definition: an increase. Verb. Definition: knock or run into someone or something with a jolt. Example: I almost bumped into him. Verb. Definition: move or travel with much jolting and jarring. Example: the car bumped along the rutted track. Verb. Definition: refuse a passenger a reserved place on a flight because of deliberate overbooking by the airline. Example: if you check in on time and are bumped, you will be entitled to a full refund.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.